distance is the town of Banff. This is a charming, though somewhat commercialized spot that still does retain some of its turn-of-the-century character. Banff is best known for the Banff Springs Hotel. This colossal pile, and there is no other word that describes it so well, was built in 1888 as the first of the great railway hotels. A statue of William Cornelius Van Horn, chairman of the Canadian Pacific when the railroad was built, stands out front. A plaque is inscribed with his best-known quote, "Since we can't export the scenery, we'll have to import the tourists." Inside the hotel is an interesting collection of old silver plate off the Canadian Pacific's early trains. Much of this heavy railroad silver was used aboard the original Canadian from 1955 until 1989. One of Banff's best-known attractions is the gondola lift that runs to the top of Sulphur Mountain. The ride offers a panoramic view along the way. At the summit, your view stretches as far as the eye can see as you take in the scope and size of the Rocky Mountain Range. From Banff, we